All right, guys, check this out. So this was surprising. I was at EDO Japan, and they actually make bubble tea now, apparently. So really neat. This flavor is the only one that is dairy free. So this flavor is green tea, passion tea, and they only make it at half sweet. Some places will make it at 0 sweet, but wanted to try it out. So some places, popular places that you might run into, like Gongcha, will make it as a full unsweetened. But let's try this out. All right, so here we go. Here's the bubble tea straw. There we go. All right, so. Actually tastes decent. Surprisingly tastes like tea. The tea's not strong. It's not like Gongcha strong, but it's decent for mainstream bubble tea, I would say. So it's worth a try. If you have nothing near you, this is might be a good option. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.